Hello, in this channel, I'm going to be sharing with you different DIYs that you're not only going to use them for yourself, but you're going to be able to sell them. My goal is to turn your hobbies into a business. Hello, this is your friend Norma with Mommy's DIYs. Welcome back to part 2 of the tie-dye for the Green Packers t-shirts. So I tried to do the same kind of polo shirts for the guys in green and then bleach them. But unfortunately, the same kind of polos are 50% cotton and 50% polyester, so they didn't do very well. So I had to go ahead and get the regular, these are Hanes Beefy, very good quality. This is for my grandson and this is for my son-in-law. And the same way, I don't want to dye, I don't want to bleach the collar area, so I put tape on it. If you don't want to do that, then you don't need the tape, but this is the tape I use from the Dollar Tree. Okay, and just so you know, I got them from Print Gear, and the medium size, very good quality Hanes Beefy for men in a medium size, it was $2.94. And the kids size, I got the 2 to 4, it was $2.61. So the prices for little kids and adults are about the same price. So we're just going to do the reverse of what we did on the first one. The first one we use white and we use tie-dye. And in this one, we're going to go ahead and use bleach, just the bleach that you use to wash your white clothes. And to stop the process of the bleaching and the possibility of getting holes on your garments, you need to rinse it with water and hydrogen peroxide. Okay, that's going to be the last step. But so for the first step, we're going to do exactly what we did with the white one. We're just going to bring it and gather it together, just like that. And we're going to put it inside our bowl, and we're going to fix it. Just the same step that we did, and we're going to fix it inside. So there it is, and the collar has been taped on both sides so it doesn't get bleached. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and spray it, and then we're going to take it outside on the sun we're going to start with 45 minutes, depending, like if you're like in Miami and the heat is 100, or in Nevada and the weather is super hot, then you might want to leave them less time. So there's one right there, and then once it bleaches, we're going to turn it around and we're going to spray some more, but that's one. And here is the other one. Taking them outside for 45 minutes, so I'll see you back. Welcome back. It's only been 30 minutes, and look at how nice it's bleached. The other one, for some reason, is bleaching like a beige. I'll put a picture here so you can see how it's bleaching. But basically, this one, we're going to go ahead and grab it just like that and turn it over. And just kind of fix it the same way that we did earlier. Just like that, and go ahead and apply the bleach over that side too. There's people who I've seen they only do the one side, like in the front, and those look cool too. So here it is. We are back. So this one took me a lot less time. This one was done in Look at how pretty. This one was done in like 20 minutes each side. And this other one I had to leave it longer because it didn't want to bleach completely white. But I think it got as white as it can. And it's funny because it's the same fabric. I got both Hanes beefy. So I like that the color didn't get any dye. So now what I'm gonna do, this water already has some of this hydrogen peroxide. I put about 1/2 of a cup and the rest water. And so we're gonna try to get all the Clorox out of the garment, rinsing it. And when you sell a t-shirt like this, you need to make sure that you let your client know that the garment had to be rinsed or washed or whatever the case may be. So you need to disclose that. So now that this one is completely done, so now that this one is completely rinsed, you're going to put it in the formula in the water, and you're going to leave it there for like 30 minutes. So the only thing that I got to do is I need to put it to dry, and at the end of the video I'm going to go ahead and put the pictures on how they look, okay? But pretty much this is the little one for my grandson. And all I'm gonna do on the part 3 video, I'm gonna put Packards here, and I'm gonna put the logo here. So, but we're gonna do that in the third part, okay, part number 3. And this one is gonna be a little more pinkish, but you know, I couldn't do any more, and I'm afraid that if I put more Clorox, it's gonna start making holes on the garment. So that's that. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. If you haven't given me thumbs up, please do. If you haven't subscribed, I will appreciate very much if you subscribe. Other than that, may the Lord bless you today and every day. Bless you and your family. Until next time.